What's up, y'all? Lungster here, having a little lunch, Burger King. Show you guys what we got going on. Reconing the DC over here, level 5. Burn a coil up, finally, when the cone let go. Motor still kept working and rubbed a nice big hole in the side of that sucker. You can see where it was not aligned correctly. Our actual coil burnt in half there. But guess I can show you what we got going on in here. Went down from 3 to 2 18s. Laying all the mat out right now so I can get the fiberglass. Got her all foamed the back end. Doubled it up. Got bracing galore in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, the light kicked on. There you go. Glass all that into place. Show you down in here too. All the way up and around. Down through the port there. Center brace and move that. It was just in there to get the port secure. Gotta get back there and glass those in. But that's how we do it, man. Gonna see if we can stay in the 50s on 2 with about double the power going to each woofer. That's it for now. Lungster out.